If we want to solve the challenge of impression-based media, banners, and click-through rates, we can continue to talk about the same problem, but if we don't look at where's the root of the problem, where's the cavity, what's the plumbing or infrastructure, it's the technology piece I mentioned earlier, but it's also the publishers. The publishers are building their inventory that will be sold on behalf of their direct sales team, a network, or an exchange. If the publisher embraces and is open to a new inventory segment, editorial, native, or a pure ad play, then you have an opportunity to reinvent the wheel. There are examples of companies that are doing this. New York Times is a perfect case study, so is Boston.com. Jim Farley, a digital car executive, was famous for saying blowing up the box a couple years ago. They're essentially rebuilding their entire website from scratch, and they're developing native ad products. So there are a very small set of publishers that will create better experiences for the consumer, greater context, will perform better, but it started with their desire to kind of look themselves in the mirror and have the courage to re-engineer how and when ads get delivered.